I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what your iPhone XR can and cannot do. Check Settings General About and update iOS. Once done, call or check your carrier account to ensure a 5G data plan is active on your line. Make sure you understand the why. XR has no 5G modem, so enabling 5G on the device itself isn't possible. Instead, prepare alternatives like using a 5G hotspot or swapping to a 5G-capable phone if you need native 5G performance. Next, set up a 5G source and link your XR to it. If you have a 5G phone, enable Personal Hotspot and choose 5G on that device. Alternatively, use a standalone 5G hotspot. On your XR, open Settings Wi-Fi, pick the hotspot SSID, and enter the password. Once connected, make sure to prioritize the hotspot for heavy tasks. You do this because the XR will use the 5G network indirectly over Wi-Fi, giving faster throughput without native 5G hardware. Finally, validate the setup by running a speed test and trying high-bandwidth tasks to confirm the 5G hotspot improves performance. If speeds are worse than expected, restart the hotspot and your XR toggle Wi-Fi off/on and make sure carrier settings are up to date. Make sure to compare results against cellular LTE on XR. If problems persist, switch the hotspot band or consider upgrading to a 5G phone for native integration. This is the one key troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.